Dibrugarh, with a population around 15 lakh, according to Census 2011, is considered as one of the premier townships in Assam, northeast India. Dibrugarh had developed in the British-ruled Assam in the late 19th century due to its commercial importance centering around tea, coal, oil, cane and timber-based industries, and also as the first medical township of northeast India. Dibrugarh has created its own identity in the book of history. From longest road cum road river bridge, Bogibeel opened in 25th of December 2018, to installation of first X-ray machine in India at Dr. Berry Medical White College in 1910, now known as Assam Medical College and Hospital. Berry Medical White College was established in 1900 in the name of John Berry White, and in 3rd of November 1947 it was renamed as Assam Medical College and Hospital. Situated on the banks of the river Dibru, deriving its name from the word Dibrumukha, the name of the river Dibru with the word Mukh meaning mouth. Dibrugarh is the largest tea producer in the country and known as the tea city of India. It was the place where tea was originated and planted for the first time in India. There are about 200 large tea gardens and around 25,000 small tea growers in the district. Dibrugarh produced around 3 lakh kilograms of tea, which is around 40 to 45% of total production in Assam. Recently, Manohari Tea Estate of Dibrugarh has sold tea at a record price of ₹75. History of tea plantation begins in 1823 when Robert Bruce, a British military officer, met Maniram Devan, a Singapore chief during the reign of the Ahom king, Chandrakanta Singha. In 1835, tea was first planted in Upper Assam, at the confluence of the rivers Dibru and Brahmaputra, but the plant couldn't grow and finally perished. In 1836, tea was planted in Chubwa, where it successfully grew. Hence Chubwa became the first successful tea planted area in India. The foundation of the estate was laid in 1836 by the Chubwa Tea Company Limited and was taken over Tata Finlay in March 1983, and then by Amalgamated Plantations Private Limited in March 2007. Chubwa Tea Estate derives its name from the local language Chahaboa. Chah is a native name for tea and boa means planting. Thus Chabowa gradually became Chabua, the town beside the estate, while the estate itself came to be known as Chubwa. Apart from tea, Dibrugarh is also well known for its educational institute. Dibrugarh University is one such example. Dibrugarh University was established in 1965 and is the easternmost university of India with green environment and world-class courses to be chosen. A world-class library with around 3 lakh print collections was set up in the memory of Lakshminath Bejbarua. Lakshminath Bejbarua was an Indian poet, novelist and playwright of modern Assamese literature. Students can choose arts, science, commerce, engineering and other branches of learning. There are many other institutes which are providing quality education in the city. Dibrugarh is well connected with air and rail. Dibrugarh Airport is the easternmost airports in the country. Dibrugarh is the only non-capital city from where Rajdhani Express train runs in India, and I'm used to know that Kanyakumari-Dibrugarh Vivek Express is India's longest running train. It covers 4,250 kilometers in 83 hours and passes through 8 states. A replica of Lord Jagannath Temple, Puri, Odisha was built in Dibrugarh for the devotees. Oil and gas is a major source of revenue earners in Dibrugarh. Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited, Dibrugarh, the BCPL plant, implemented under Assam Accord. There are many other places of importance like Jokai Botanical Garden, Germplasm Center, Jeepur Rainforest, Dihing Patakai Wildlife Sanctuaries. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe.